What's up, guys? So back with another video here. I'm keeping my coverage with the Galaxy S10 Plus. Again, most of the stuff that I am showing does work with the Galaxy S10 and far down and far down. Today we got a case I'm checking out from Caseology. It's a waterfall case. It is not sponsored in any way. I actually purchased it myself. Here it is on Amazon. It goes for $11.99, which is not bad at all. Let's check out the case real quick on its back. It's Amazon preferred seller, obviously, because they're Caseology. 6 million customers. We don't know about all that. Limited lifetime, which means you can hit them up and they'll give you a new case if it turns yellow or anything like that. It says certified protection, drop tested 26-time military grade. Now, you can take that with a grain of salt. Personally, I don't believe it is, but this is the actual case. It's a clear case. It would look great with that white color. I have the black. It would also look good, I guess, if you had a skin on here. So we're going to drop the case in. As you can see, it gives a pretty good lip all the way around. You got access to all your ports. Buttons are pretty clicky. Does unlock rather well. So yeah, I mean, sorry, got an incoming call. That's how it looks on the back. Sorry about that. I should put my phone on Do Not Disturb when I do these things. That's how it looks on the back. So if you had his skin, it would show throw. Anyway, that's all. I mean, it does, like I said, it does have good lip, so you couldn't bang it down like that. I wouldn't recommend it, obviously, but yeah, all right, for $11.99, I say it's a win if it truly is. The reason why I say I don't think it's military grade is simply because you can bend it rather easily. Typical military grade cases you can't do this with, but maybe it is. Alrighty guys, but for $11 you can't go wrong if you want a clear case. The same thing from outer boxes, like $60, more or less the same thing. Anyway guys, if you like this video, thumbs up. It gives you no screen protection of any kind. I'm currently using that one that came included. I'm going to pop it off and for something else. It's going to be another video coming up. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, share it around as usual. Drop some comments down below if you have any questions. All right, laters, peace. Oh, you know what we didn't check? I'm sorry. I didn't check this on my other ones, and I found out. Shout out to Tudia for the power bank, but let's see how it wireless charging. Boom. Oh, is it? Yeah, fully charged. It is working. My phone is 100%, so it's not gonna start charging, but good for wireless charging. Alrighty guys, again, so see you in the next one. Drop a thumbs up. Thanks again. Laters.